In this video, we're going to talk about clipping carvings. Controls for that can be found in your carving list. You can see that we can clip inclusive and exclusive. Now, this can often be very confusing. The best way to think about it is whichever element I have chosen, that is the object that is going to be clipped. It is going to use whatever else is interacting with that to do the clipping. So if I clip exclusive, notice the blue is on the outside of this icon here. That means it's going to take everything from this pattern that's not included in this pattern. So if we clip this, those outer leaves are just going to disappear. If I clip inclusive, notice the blue is on the inside. That means it's going to take everything from this pattern that is in this pattern. So let's click that, and you'll notice that we don't have the leaves on the inside anymore. Now, let's just apply that in something that is kind of resulting in a finished product. Let me go ahead and just draw a circle here. I'm going to go ahead and center that, and I'm going to apply a region to it. For the time being, I'm going to hide that guy in the background, and I'm going to take these two elements and I'm going to group them. And then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to clip it so that all I have is what's inside of this circle. I has created now this nice little medallion out of the larger rosette there. Let's go ahead and unhide this one, and I'm actually going to go ahead and push this a little bit deeper. And you'll see that, of course, we have a lot of this pattern showing up inside of this pattern. Now we can fix that because I'm going to head and clip inclusive. And now I don't have any of this pattern showing up in this pattern. And I've actually created a whole new pattern by just clipping elements from other patterns and then putting them together.